How to report a lost citizen debit card or citizens bank debit card. So in order to replace a lost citizen bank debit card, you can call the bank immediately at a toll-free number. And if you want to report it lost and request a new one, you could use a citizens bank mobile app. So open up any browser that you have, type in citizens bank on the web address bar, log into your account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll then be directed to the home page. Then you could just go ahead and locate the option that says manage card section. You can find the card and just choose a reason for replacing or managing your card. You could tap onto the option like report lost or stolen and to block immediately, and that's how you could go ahead and replace a lost citizens debit card. So this way you should be able to replace a lost citizens debit card. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.